被你们气死啊 Wait, this is not supposed to be recorded. You are obviously not interested in my achievements and you don't care about me. So, I am not going to introduce myself.
Are you stupid or something?
Also, don't have to check the description box below for my IG, Twitter, Facebook, I don't care what they are. Confirm not below lah. No need check, okay? Let's start with the lesson proper. Balancing chemical equations easy. Wait, why do you need me to go through balancing chemical equations? Haven't you learned this in school already? Sure, I still haven't mastered this topic. Can you give me a few tips and tricks, please? What? You still haven't mastered balancing chemical equations? That means you failed all your chemistry exams and tests already lah, is it? Fail already, right? Fail already, right?
Stop it. Get some help.
Your teacher spent so much effort teaching you this topic, you still haven't mastered. Never mind. Lim Bei teach you now. You are going to master balancing chemical equations in the next few minutes. Okay? Let's go! Balancing chemical equations is super easy. There's only one secret. Listen up, one secret. All you have to do is just putting numbers beside the elements or beside the compounds on the left side of the arrow to make sure the same element on the right side of the arrow is the same exact number. With that in mind, let's try balancing this chemical equation. Always balance chemical equations from the left to right. Okay? I don't care what your teacher say. Listen to me. Because I'm going to be the one to make you master this topic and get full marks every single time for chemical equations balancing. So you better listen up. Always balance from left to right. So first we see how many aluminium atoms are there on the left. There's 1 aluminium and there's 2 aluminium here. So what do? We just put a 2 here lah, so easy. Okay, next we see how many oxygen here. There's 2 oxygen, since O2 what? 2 oxygen. So we see how many oxygens are there on the right side of the arrow. There's 3 oxygen. Oh my god, so difficult. How do I do now? Che, I don't know how to do. Listen up, so easy. 2 times what equals 3? 2 times 1.5 equals 3. So we put 1.5 here. By right, this chemical equation is already balanced. However, the convention is that we always like to have whole numbers in our chemical equations. So what do? How do we make it become whole numbers? We just times 2 the whole thing lah. 2 becomes 4. 1.5 becomes 3 and this 1 becomes 2. Okay, this is what we do. 4, 3, 2. Now this chemical equation is balanced already. Okay, we count. 4 aluminium here. 2 times 2, 4 aluminium. Very good. 3 times 2, 6 oxygen here. And 2 times 3, 6 oxygen here. So this chemical equation is already balanced. Got it? Okay, next one. Very easy also. We balance from left to right. First, we see the first element. I don't care what is it. We just see what's the first element. Na, which is sodium. There's 1 sodium on the left side of the arrow. So we count how many sodiums are there on the right. There's Na2. So there's 2 sodium. What we do? We don't care. We just straight away put 2 here. Okay? Then next, we count the number of O's. Since there's already a 2 here, there's 2 O's on this sodium hydroxide. So 2 O's plus another 4 O's. So 2 plus 4 is 6. There's 6 O's on the left side of the arrow. So on the right, how many are there? There's 4 over here. And there's 1 over here. Oh no, there's 6 O on the left, but there's 5 O's on the right. 4 plus 1. So what do? Use your brain. You just put 2 here lah. Become 4 plus 2 O, right? So now there's 6 O on the right and there's also 6 O's on the left. Then we look at the H. There's 2 H on here and 2 H here. So there's 4 H on the left side of the arrow. And over here, there's 2 times 2 H. Oh my goodness, I just balanced this equation super easy. Left to right. Okay? Let's go on to harder chemical equations. Because later you say, Che, just now the example so easy. Later exam come out very hard, how? This is harder chemical equations. I'm teaching you how to do it, alright? Listen up. I don't care what this chemical equation is. I don't care what element it is. I just balance from the left to the right, okay? First, I see there's 2 C on the left of the arrow. And how many C are there on the right of the arrow? There's 1. So I don't care. I straight away put 2 over here to make the number of C's the same. Okay. Next, I see that the next element is H. There's 6 H on the left side of the arrow. But there's only 2 H on the right side of the arrow. So what do? 3 times 2 is 6. So now the H is both 6. Okay, next, how many O's are there on the left side of the arrow? There's 1 here and there's 2 here. Okay, so there's 3 O's on the left side of the arrow. However, there's 2 times 2, 4O, plus 3 times 1, 3 O's. So 4 plus 3 is 7. There's 7 O's on the right side. Oh no, so difficult. I don't know how to do. Listen, calm down. Don't be scared. It's very easy. So 3 O's on the left and 7 O's on the right. Now you look, use your brain. This O we try not to change. Okay, so now this O we can change. So 1 O plus 2 O. And there's 7 O's here. 1 O plus 2 O. And there's 7 O's here. So what if I put the 3 over here? 1 O plus 6 O's, which is 7 O's. Now there's 7 O's on the left and there's 7 O's on the right. Whenever you see a chemical equation you're not very sure how to balance, always balance from the left to the right and calm down. Look at the situation from the bigger perspective. You can always solve it because O and N level chemical equations is very easy. Trust me. I'll give you another example, shall we? This example is basically the hardest, yes, hardest it can get for O and N level chemical equation balancing. If even this chemical equation you can solve and you can balance, every other chemical equation that is going to come out for O and N level, you don't have to be scared already. Don't waste time. Start from left to right again. I don't care. 3C over here, but there's how many C over here? There's only 1 C. So what do? I put a 3 here. So now the C is balanced. Okay, next, we see the H. There's 6H over here, but there's 2H. So what do? I put a 3 over here. 3 times 2 becomes 6. Same, balanced. Now there's 2O over here, but there's 3 times 2, 6O, plus 3 times 1, 3 O's. 6 plus 3 is 9. So there's 9O on the right. So how do I get 9O on the left? 2 times what is 9? 2 times 4.5 is 9. So this chemical equation is almost balanced already. But like I said before, the convention is always to have numbers in whole numbers in the chemical equation. What do we do? Like we did before, times 2 the whole thing lah. Okay, so here from 1 become 2, 2, 9, 6, 6. 2, 9, 6, 6. So easy. Done. The hardest possible chemical equation balancing, I balance it within 1 minute. If I'm not teaching you, I've already done this maybe 10 seconds, this question. And probably a lot of your classmates and your friends are going to struggle with this because they don't know how to balance from left to right and they don't know how to use the logic of putting a decimal place first and then later times 2 to get rid of the decimal place. Okay, so easy. You are ready to try a real example. This example here is a real O-level question that came out a few years ago. Pause the video right now and try. I guarantee you that you can do this question if you have understood whatever I said in the past few minutes. Okay, pause. I will review the answer at the end of this video. Okay? So, the answer is this. So easy, right? So easy. Yes, O-level question so easy. N-level also so easy. You know how to do, right? So easy. Master already, right? This topic you master already, right? Oh my god, so easy. Even my primary 6 baby brother Jeffrey can do this question if I teach him how to do. Basically, it's just a numbers game. You add this number, add the number, left and right, make sure they're balanced. Anybody can do it. It's not even a chemistry question, it's just a numbers game, just playing a game, okay? You're playing a game with the paper. So, you better not lose marks to chemical equations in exam. Okay? Like this video if you like to see more, and subscribe to me because I'm not like that boring teacher. Madam Lee, I'm not referring to you. Master this topic already, right? Good! Go and get your full marks now!